Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn about the lesson 6th of your HSC 11th standard textbook. Je découvre la ville means I discover the city. La ville means city. Découvre, a near-ending verb which means to discover. Now let us proceed with the paragraph. Here, as you can see, there are some monuments, the pictures of monuments given. Now let us see what this is about. Maya, Neil, Ira et Mehdi viennent passer un weekend à Paris. Viennent passer. This is first of all which tense? This is normal present tense where two verbs are used. Okay. So they have come to spend a weekend at Paris. Ils découvrent la ville. They are discovering the city. Maya says, enfin. Enfin means at last or finally. Nous sommes à Paris. We are at Paris. Pour moi, c'est comme un rêve. For me, it is like a dream. A rêve means a dream. C'est notre première visite. This is our first visit. Allons à l'office du tourisme pour avoir des informations. There is now an office where the French officials give information to the tourists where you can visit and all that. So Maya is saying we can visit the office of tourism. Okay. À l'office du tourisme, les 4 jeunes regardent les brochures. At the office of tourism, the 4 people, the 4 youngsters, John means youngsters, are watching the brochures. Some brochures are given. Brochure means a book or a pamphlet type which contains information. Okay. Maya says, Paris à vélo, Paris on bicycle. Quelle idée super! What a superb idea. Regardez. So in the brochure, it was given that you can roam Paris through by the means of bicycle. Okay. Employee, the employee says, il y a des itinéraires variés. There are various different plans, different itineraries. Vous pouvez prendre la route classique. You can. Pouvez means to be able to or can. Okay. So you can. Prendre means to take. You can take the classic route. C'est indiqué sur le plan. So the classic route is indicated on the plan, in the map. You can look at that. Téléchargez le plan sur votre portable. Télécharger, which means to download. Okay, télécharger means to download. The map on your mobile phone. C'est pratique. It is practical. Then Ira says, oui, madame, vous avez raison. Vous avez raison. This is an entire phrase which means you are right. Merci. Comme ça, on visite les sites populaires. Thank you. Comme ça means like this. We are going to visit the popular sites. Okay. L'Arc de Triomphe, l'Avenue des Champs-Élysées, Arc de Triomphe, a famous monument in France. Avenue des Champs-Élysées. Champs-Élysées is an area, is basically a quarter, the most expensive, okay, hi-fi area in France. Le Musée du Louvre, the most visited museum in the entire world. It is in Paris. Le Musée d'Orsay et la Cathédrale de Notre-Dame. These all are the monuments, the names of the monuments in Paris. You need to memorize this. What is it? L'Arc de Triomphe, l'Avenue des Champs-Élysées, le Musée du Louvre, le Musée d'Orsay, la Cathédrale de Notre-Dame. Et bien sûr means of course, we have studied this in last lesson. And of course, la Tour Eiffel, and of course, Eiffel Tower. Okay. The next page. Here, the pictures is also given of every monument. Maya says, Enfin, à pied. À pied means by foot, okay, by walking. Enfin, à pied à la Tour Eiffel. We'll go by walk to the Eiffel Tower. Et puis means then. On prend des vélos à une station Vélib. They'll take the bicycles at a Vélib station. So that is a station where bicycles are usually parked. Vélib, je ne comprends pas. Mary is asking Vélib, je ne comprends pas. means I do not understand. Comprendre is a verb which means to understand, and negative of it is I do not understand. Maya says. So now, what is valid? This can come as a question. You have to write it in one line answer. Okay. Maya says, c'est un système de vélo en libre service. It is a system of cycles, bicycles, en libre, free service. Disponible. Disponible means available. At Paris, depuis 2007, since 2007. En route means, en route we write while we are traveling. Okay, en route means let's get on the road, or we are on the road, my friends. À la fin, accent grave, la fin. À la fin, the circuit, at the end of the circle, Neil says, Je suis fatigué. I am tired. Fatigué means tired. Rentrons en bus ou en metro. I am tired. I cannot ride the cycle anymore. So, rentrons, let's return by bus or by metro. If you notice, by walk is said as à pied. By bus is said as en bus, in the bus. Okay. Then, en metro. Il retourne à l'auberge de jeunesse en metro. So they have returned that auberge de jeunesse, another place, by metro. Ils font des projets pour le lendemain, and they are making the plans. Des projets means the plans for the next day. Le lendemain, the day after. Okay. Ira says, quelle journée superbe. What a superb day. Paris à vélo. Paris on bicycle. C'est génial. It is really nice. Génial means it is nice. Okay. C'est génial. It is nice. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait demain? What will we do tomorrow? Mehdi says, découvrons Montmartre à pied. Montmartre is a place and they are going to discover it on foot. That means by walk. La Basilique du Sacré-Cœur. There is a church, a basilic of Sacré-Cœur. Et la place du Tertre. These places are in what? Montmartre. Monuments in Paris, different. Monuments in Montmartre, different. Maya says, j'adore le quartier de Montmartre. I like the area, I like the quarter of Montmartre. Avec son air bohème et ses artistes, with its bohemian air, bohemian is a boho vibe, okay, and its artist. I hope you have the basic idea what this lesson is about. You need to memorize the what is a wedding, what monuments are in Paris, what are the modes of transportation in Paris, what is Office of Tourism, okay, what are the monuments of Montmartre? How is the quarter of Montmartre? It has bohemian air and it is famous for its artists. Okay, all this you have to memorize. Start thinking what questions will be formed on the basis of this paragraph. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.